for staying with us on Headlines Now. Let's bring you some national news now. The amended Nuclear Liability Bill has meant a bigger worry than the draft it presented in the Parliament, with the word "and" being used. The supplier liability finds no takers, and the government, desperate to win the BJP support on it yet again. The minister in charge, Prithviraj Chavan, met BJP's Arun Jaitley in a bid to end the stalemate over the issue, with no conclusions yet and the discussions to continue.
A last-ditch attempt at resolving the government-opposition deadlock over the Nuclear Liability Bill. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Prithviraj Chavan, met leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, and may have come up with at least a way to move ahead. Government sources say that the two are discussing 4 options to resolve the crisis. Option 1 and 2 amend the draft after tabling, either remove the word "intent" that was surreptitiously inserted and led to the latest deadlock, or change the language, also since the current language is being perceived as harsh by suppliers, both international and domestic. Option 3 is to send the bill back to the standing committee, but in this case it is unlikely to be passed before Obama's visit in November. Option 4, have a liability clause in every contract signed with the suppliers.
This is brought at the behest of the United States of America. They want them to sell their nuclear reactors to India, and they want that if they sell nuclear reactors, if there's a nuclear accident, those companies should have no liability. That is the purpose of this bill. I think it's a shameful thing that you need a bill like this.
But if the government has some different intent in adding a word "intent" and keeping the word "intent", then I don't think it would be easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party to support the bill in the present form.
The Congress's political worry is that bulldozing the bill past dissenting left and right might generate bad publicity, since the bill deals with an Aam Aadmi issue, compensation for potential victims of nuclear disasters. Nevertheless, the government is ready with Plan B, and the salary hike for members of parliament is being seen as an attempt to get Lalu Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav on board. One single clause in the Nuclear Liability Bill has become an albatross around the government's neck. That is why the opposition is sensing a political opportunity. Now the government's options are limited. It has to either give in to the demands of the right and the left, or be exposed to the arm twisting of the Yadavs. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
In news from Orissa, the NC Saxena panel has found Project Vedanta guilty of violating several environmental laws, even saying it was threatening two endangered tribal groups. The report says the local community's consent was not sought and it would have an adverse ecological and hydrological impact. Orissa's Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik was in Delhi on Monday to meet Dr. Singh and the Environment Minister on the issue. The controversial Vedanta bauxite mining project in Orissa has been scrapped. The Ministry of Environment and Forests has rejected permission to the 8,400 crore rupee project in Orissa by the Anil Agrawal promoted Vedanta. On to sports stars who are making news. He may not have won a title for a long time, but he's still golf's biggest star. Tiger Woods and his wife Eileen have officially divorced 9 months after a late-night car accident triggered off a series of revelations about the golfer's marital infidelities. Woods announced on his website that the divorce was finalized in a court in Florida. Tiger and Eileen married in 2004 and have 2 children. The terms of the divorce have not been released yet. Now, we have entered the season of festivals, today being Raksha Bandhan. Our reporter Lokpriya dropped in a visit at the very busy South Carpet and brings us the festive mood from Namma city.
From sweet memories, good times together to those heated arguments and catfights, the brother-sister duo share each phase of their life together. And on this day, on Raksha Bandhan, they renew their oaths of affection to each other. I'm right now in South Carpet and the mood here is very upbeat and there's an air of festivity. As years pass by, the Rakis too are getting only better. Gone are the days of Rakis in gold and red. Now there are a variety of them available in market. And gifts too are not limited and which cannot be bought right from the shop. This time around, the brothers are going down the personalized gift route and are getting gifts customized for their sisters. And if you're still wondering what to get your little sis, then it's time you go to the shop and get those personalized calendars and mugs and make her feel very special. In Chennai, Lokpriya, NDTV Hindu.
And here's wishing you all the cheer this festive season. Well, that's all the time we have on Headlines now. But before we leave you, here's a sneak peek into the Champions League promotional. That's got the Big B having quite a ball, trying to provoke Sourav Ganguly, Andrew Simons and Herschel Gibbs into losing their cool. Enjoy these images. Thanks for watching.
सचिन, धोनी और कुंबले के सपोर्टर मसाज करवा रहे हैं। दादा, पेपर पे तो आपकी टीम प्रचंड है, पर मैदान में उतरते ही खंड खंड है। दिखा देंगे। लग गई ना मिर्ची?
देखें जरा।
आग लगा क्या? भाई साहब, माना कि आपकी टीम टॉप है, पर फाइनल में हर बार लुढ़क जाती है। फिर भी इतना होप है? हाँ है। अरे मैच देखिए, माना कि आपकी टीम को जोश जो है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे आता है, लेकिन तब तक 2020 का गेम खत्म हो जाता है। मार देखा ये तो यार मुझको। I think we should cut it.